Today we are at Showcase of Citrus right outside of Orlando, Florida.
Ooh, I found another one. I'll forget that yellow one.
Oh, you got one?
I get yours.
Cool.
I'm gonna get mine. Mine's big.
Eli?
I think.
So cool.
Actually, going in the tree, there's spiders. That's alright. Daddy likes spiders. Yeah. Ooh, that's a perfect.
That one does look good. Is that a good one?
Oh man, that's really like smushy. But it looks good. I mean,
Try to put it open.
Does it feel good? The smell?
those are too firm. That might be a good one. Should have come down.
It started raining and pouring. We found some shelter. Got soaking wet trying to find shelter. Look at Andy, he looks like he took a bath. They're all so wet.
Alright guys, we'll just have to work.
Okay.
Is there shelter? Go that way, guys.
You said the way this is. No. Oh my goodness.
Guys, take the left and go straight down.
Daddy, there's a yellow one
It's a crab spider. Oh, that cold wear, that cold.
I'm freezing.
It's okay, it's gonna stop, it's gonna stop.
Waiting for the rain to pass. Daddy's soaked.
Now it's muddy. Look how muddy that is now.
I'm froze. Dad,
Just sprinkling. Daddy, you can't find any orange ones?
It's gonna rain again.
Daddy, there's orange ones over here. I know.
Did you bring towels? Well, you should have brought rain jackets.
Sure, you can get it, Daddy.
I think you should have brought rain jackets. Would you like it? Well, in the car they are.
We did it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Pull it.
Come on, we could have just used rain jackets.
Woo!
That's a little yellowish.
You said the yellow ones, right?
Okay.
I got one. Look at the two flowers.
You want to go home? Okay, we're almost done. We thought this would be so fun, but then we got soaking wet, and then there were bugs. Oh no. Okay, help her
Oh, down our
if she
thread.
can't do it. Grab the orange with the stick.
I found a good one right here. Good pull.
Woo, you did it! Was that fun?
Here, Ivy, look at